All right, welcome to another session of math lesson. Um, Today we want to look at this question here, integral of cos to power 8x sine x dx. So you see, cosine and sine are connected, and this one has the higher power. So we're going to start our work with this side. So let's go as we take it together. So we're going to have, look here. So what we're going to have do is you let u be called just cos x without the power. Now, differentiate u with respect to x. If you do that, we're going to have du dx. So if you differentiate cosine, you're going to get negative sine x. This is how we go. All right, so because of this assumption, you are trying to transform everything to u now. So what will happen is that you make dx the subject of the formula. How do you do that? You can multiply both sides of this by dx, or you make this one a fraction and cross multiply. All right, so if you cross multiply, you go this way, you go this other way. So we are going to have du is equal to negative sine x dx. But remember, the target is to get an equivalent to make sine x, dx the subject of the formula. So divide all through by this. So if you do that, you're going to have negative sine x over here. Here you can add the negative sine x, something of this nature. So from here, what will happen is this. From here, you are going to have, so you're going to have, you can write it as du all over minus sine x is actually equal to dx. So if you go back to the question, in fact, let's solve it around here so that you can see everything clearly. Let me make a line here so that you can be seeing what you have here. Now, if you go back to the question, look at the question, but we have already called u cos x. So that will now be transformed to something of this nature. Watch and see. So it now become integral of, so instead of u now, that cos to power 8x means cos x all to power, what I mean is this, that thing can be written as cos x all to the power of 8. That's the meaning of that. Sine x dx. But you said anywhere you see cos x, you should put u. So here you have integral of u to power 8, then you have sine x, but the x is actually something, look, the x is actually du over minus sine x. So we go and fetch it and put it here. So that means that we are going to have multiply by, instead of du now, dx now, you have it as du all over negative sine x. So as you are trying to multiply, this one will help you remove this, and then the minus can come up. You are going to have, this will be reduced to negative u to power 8 du. You have seen it. So this minus, you can take it out. If you do that, you're going to have negative integral of u to power 8 du. So when you are integrating, you add 1 to the power and divide by the total power. So if you do that, you're going to have, let's have it as, if you add 1 to this one, it's going to be u to power 9 all over 9. Add 1 to the power, divide by the total power. Then plus a constant of integration, since it's not a definite integral. All right, so we are here now. But remember that the question given to us was not having u from the beginning. So what do? You go and fetch that, what u represents. So you're going to say, therefore, integral of cos to power 8x sine x dx, you say that this is actually equal to, you can say that this is actually equal to minus, instead of cos now, what do you now, what do you write? You write cos x to the power of 9 all over 9 plus a constant of integration. Or you can have it as minus cos to power 9x over 9, whichever way you want to write it. So this is the answer of the question that we just answered, this question. So I have something for you in order to keep you engaged, and make sure you do it and put your answer in the comment section. So let me show you what I have for you. Please ensure ensure you do it. Ensure you do it. So this is for you. Ensure you do it. And then put your answer in the comment section.